Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer, which is right now crossed out, so it means that it is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it, and here I hope you can see it, we've got 3 seconds delay set, and after tapping on it again we've got 10 seconds delay, and again it is turned off. So let's pick a 10 seconds delay and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so we can check 3 seconds delay, and as you can see it will work the same, just it will count down from 3. We can turn it off just by leaving this icon crossed out, and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your MOTOROLA Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.